your girl Celeste Renee, and welcome back to my channel. So this is officially week 2. Yes, I am a few days late. Actually, I am really late, but I was out of town this weekend, so I was like, I can't weigh in on Sunday, and I didn't weigh in until Monday. And y'all, my life has just been so busy, I just literally cannot. And this weekend coming up, I'm gonna be out of town again, so more than likely this video, week 3's video, is gonna be late as well. But this week has been really rough, so more than likely I'm gonna game for week 3's weigh-in. So, you know, let's not start the video with negativity. Let's start with positivity. On a positive note, we have completed week 2. It ended on Sunday, and I lost a whopping 0.2 pounds. I will show y'all the receipts, but because I weighed myself on Monday and it's now Wednesday, I don't have the thing. So, because I weigh myself every day and it changes. So, I can't show you any receipts, unfortunately. Can I? No, see, it just says 5.8 pounds. Yeah, so, and that is actually even more off because that means I've gained, damn, wow, that means I've gained 2 pounds this week. Is that what that means? I'm not even gonna get on. I'm not even gonna upset myself today. I'm not even gonna do it today. Anyways, yes, when I weighed myself on Monday, I was down another 0.2 pounds. I mean, whoop whoop, 0.2. Like I said, this has been a really rough. I know this video is not supposed to be about week 3, so I'm not even gonna talk about week 3. But just know, when I do my weigh-in on Sunday, well, I'll do it Monday because I'll be out of town on Sunday for this upcoming week. Hopefully, it's not a hot mess, but I'm just preparing myself for the worst, y'all, because it's been one of those weeks. But anyways, back to week 2. Week 2 is really, it wasn't really good. I don't know why I've been in such a funk these last 2 weeks. I've just been so tired. I don't even know why I'm like complaining on camera. Y'all are probably like, girl, we do not care. But I've just been like so tired. I really just need to get my life, you know, like clean my apartment, just get my life. Like, I've been doing my meal preps. My meal prep video is going up on Friday. Y'all, weight loss, it's just so, it's just, but anyways, the good news is I have still been doing my workouts. My eating has been decent. Like, I haven't, well, yesterday, we're not going to talk about week 3. We're going to talk about week 2. So that was last week. Last week, I ate pretty good. The only thing is I went out of town. So I went to Austin to visit a friend, and I was out of town, so I kind of indulged a little bit. So, but even still with that, I still had lost 0.2 pounds. But this week, I need to start talking about this week because this week's video, I will talk about week 3 on Sunday's video. So I just need to stay focused. This is what happens when you record, when you don't upload when you're supposed to upload, you get your weeks confused. But anyways, last week was decent. I lost 0.2 pounds. But I don't know, y'all. My energy, my motivation has not been there. It's so weird. And like, I was super pumped. Like, I have my trip officially planned. I'm going to Jamaica for my birthday. And I'm still just like, I'm just, you know how like you just be like working your ass off and you just don't see the results you want? That's how I feel. That's where I'm at. But I'm starting to just trying to remain positive. Because I'm supposed to be, you know, motivating. So I shouldn't be on this video complaining. But I got to be real too. Like, it's just been one of those weeks. So I'm hoping that I can get my life. Today is Wednesday. I'm hoping that I can get my life and just push through. This week is going to be Easter. I'm going home to San Antonio. So I'm just going to try not to eat. I'm gonna eat, y'all. My mom makes like the best meatloaf, so I'm gonna have meatloaf. But I don't know. Tell me how y'all's week's been. I know this video is like such a drag. You're probably like, girl, why did you even record this? But I just had to be, I wasn't even gonna record. I was gonna like just do week 2 and week 3 together since it's so late in the game. But I was like, let me, you know, do what I said I was gonna do. So yeah, hopefully y'all had a better week than I did. I mean, minus 0.2, it's not bad, but I think I'm so down on myself because I know that the current week 3 has just not been good for me. So like, when I think about it, week 2 was decent. I could have did better, but like I said, I was out of town. So, you know, I think I could have did a little bit better. But I'm really just thinking about this current week that I'm on, and I'm just like, girl, this weigh-in on Sunday is giving me anxiety because I'm like, it's just not going to be good. And it's crazy because my Fitbit says I have 527 more steps to hit your goal. It's just so crazy because like I feel motivation because I'm like, okay, Celeste, you have to upload these videos. People are watching your videos. You know, you have to make sure you're losing weight. But it's also really stressful because it's just like, you know, you want to make sure that you're doing the best that you can do. And this week it's just one of them weeks, honey. But anyways, like I said, if you're talking about week 3, we're week 2. Week 2 was decent. I've been doing my meal prep. So the good thing is, like, I intermittent fast and I do my breakfast. And I do my meal prep. So like, I'm good during the week. It's just the weekends where I kind of just am like, Friday, I'm like, the week is here, the week is over, I'm tired, and I just don't do well. So actually, let me just get my life. Let me just stop complaining, because real girl, get your life. Like, it's just one bad week. And we don't even know what this week is gonna end. This week could still end good. But clearly, I really honestly, and so I literally just looked at my Fitbit and told y'all what it said, realized that like I gained 2 pounds this week. But anyways, it's not always about the scale. I feel like I'm losing some inches. I did do my measurements and my hips went down 1 inch. That's really great. I should probably do my measurements. I should probably do my measurements on Friday. That make me feel a lot better. I'm doing a body wrap on Saturday. That's fun. There's this really cool place I love going to in San Antonio. They do body wraps. And the whole purpose of me going was like to keep myself motivated, like, you know, but yeah, so yeah, I mean, this is just real life. My shirt is cute though. Fast and fabulous. I'm not fast, but she is fabulous. But yes, yeah guys, if you had a bad week, don't beat yourself up like I did. Just keep pushing, and we're gonna get to these goals. Like, I have no choice. Like, the only thing I can tell myself is, Celeste, you don't want to look up 10 weeks from now. Well, we have literally, we're on week 3, so we have 10, 9, 8, wow, 8 weeks left. And I want to be in Jamaica, and I don't want to be upset with myself. You know, I want to be like, Celeste, you put in the work. Like, that's what I can tell myself, but it's hard, y'all. Like, some days I just be sick of eating salad. Some days I just want some chicken, some fried chicken, or a piece of cake. Anyways, that's just how that goes. And just have willpower. Be better than me. Yes, that was my week 2. And y'all, if y'all got some motivational words, please leave them in the comments, honey, because I read all the comments. I might not comment on everything, but I read all the comments. And like, I'm telling y'all, like, when I'm really feeling like, oh, I'm over this, like, I'm so over it, like, I just think like, Celeste, this is a snatch. What are we called? Damn, I can't think of the name. The Snatch Snack Squad. This is a gang. This is a squad, and I have to stay true to the squad. So I just keep telling myself, girl. Y'all feel like this bitch is certified crazy. I'm really not crazy, but I just keep telling myself, like, Celeste, this is a team effort. We're all in this together. Just keep pushing. But yes, y'all, that's real life. I mean, if I came on here and was being fake and saying it was easy, y'all would know. Y'all could probably feel my energy. So yes, that's how my week has gone. That's how currently week 3 is going. Hopefully by the time I upload week 3's video, it'll be a better result. But yeah, that's how I feel so far. I hope y'all are doing much better, like I said. And if you're feeling like I am, y'all, we just need to get our lives. I feel like I need to just like get my life, clean up, and just, I've been ripping and running, and my house is just out of order. It's just like, ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna stop complaining, because y'all know I can talk forever, and I'll just keep rambling and rambling and rambling. And it's almost 8 o'clock, and I need to intermittent fast. I need to eat before it's time to fast. So yes, that is that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be uploading late again. I won't be uploading on Sunday like I normally do, because I won't be in town, but I'll weigh myself on Monday and upload on Monday. So be looking out for week 3's video, and hopefully, actually not hopefully, I'm just gonna claim it right now, week 4 I'm coming for you. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 6 weeks left. That cannot be right. We had 10 weeks. We're on week 2. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. Week 3 is currently, yeah, so that's 7 weeks. Girl, get your life. But yeah, I can't believe I literally just counted on my fingers like a child. Like, yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just remember to, regardless of everything that's going on, just stay strong. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. I'm really telling myself this, so yes, I will see you guys later.